Welcome to this special interview section on Modern Plastics TV, wherein we interview all the leading luminaries from this sector. Today we are in PlastAsia 2022. We have got all the people around us, so many companies with their stalls. Right now we are at Clean Oil, which is a big name in leaders in filtration technology. We've got Ankrish Kapur, Director Sales and Strategy. Ankrish, thank you so much for sparing your precious time. Just wanting to know, in the last 2 years a lot has happened, and internationally, nationally, COVID has actually broken the back of industry. Now do you see recovery in the market?
Well, to be honest, the last, when you said 2019-20 was a slight setback, and then obviously 21 as well. But I feel that now, with the 2022 starting, in fact, since mid-21, there has been a good pickup in the industry. Talking about our sector, when it comes to the oils, I mean, there's been a huge rise in the cost of oil because of, the exporting issues, and, because logistical costs have gone up drastically. So because of that, the cost of crude oil has gone up, and, this has affected the industry, in a big way. Talking about the filtration line, which is the line which we are in right now, it works in the time of recession as well as a time when the industry is booming, because everyone's looking to save oil. So that's where we work. So we work in the filtration range where someone is saving oil and, trying to sustain in the manufacturing industry. So for us, it's been good, but there's been a good improvement over the last year. Actually, we've seen a great growth in the manufacturing segment over the last year, because I feel the setback, which is of those 2 years, has all come once in one good production inflow altogether. So that's been good.
PlastAsia 2022, after 2 years, I think the whole industry is getting a time to get cleaned up. And you see buyers, sellers coming to the
definitely.
under a single roof. How helpful is it that for like the whole of industry?
Definitely. I mean, to be honest, over the last 2 years, they tried to do some exhibitions online, which were some virtual exhibitions. But I don't think they had the same effect that a physical exhibition has. And to be honest, coming to an exhibition like this is not only just, for boosting sales. It's more about meeting your existing customers, existing clients. It's good to put a face to it. And just to let everyone know, where you are in the industry, and just to, sit down and have a cup of coffee with your customers also great. Place under one roof over 3 days. So it's fantastic. I think the response this year has been really good. The last 3-4 days has been fantastic to what we anticipated, especially in the north.
And we see that not many international companies are there, more Indian companies are there. Do you think Indian companies are trying to recoup what they had lost to all the foreign players?
Definitely, because now it's all make in India. So everyone's trying to manufacture here, and the technology here is probably at par with international technology now. So, there's no need to import. The Indian manufacturers are at, the technology is at a new high. People are the new developments. So I think we're at that scale where we are now exporting a lot more than importing at this stage. So that is the new boost which is coming into the manufacturing industry.
Any expectation from the government to help this MSME sector per se? Any policy changes?
To be honest, right now, I mean, a lot of people have different sayings, but I think the government has helped a lot, especially with the MSMEs as well. Something even like, because we're an MSME ourselves, so, we do get a lot of advantages, especially taking part in exhibitions like this. We get rebates, we get, recognitions, we get portals. So I think the government is doing a good job promoting the MSME in that perspective. I feel that they're doing a pretty good job going ahead.
Finally, on your personal front, any new line of product that you are trying to pursue in this next coming?
So, we've grown over the last couple of years. The last 2 years, we've set back, we've given a chance to see what the industry really needs, what the need of the hour is. So, when the manufacturing was a little slow over the COVID, we got back to the drawing book. We started to develop new technologies, we started understanding what the industry needs. So we've come up with some new filtration technology, new lines. We've come up with oil analysis equipment, so you can know what the condition of your oil is at all points of time. We've come up with tank cleaning machines, different line, we've started strategizing a new production coming into the filtration technology now.
Ending on a message on Earth Day, talking about sustainability.
Yeah.
Sort of alien here out here, but internationally people are talking about it.
To be honest, we've started a new cup, which is called a clean cup. Now this cup is for sustainable products as well. It's made of complete BPA, BPS free material, and it's made same material for baby products, and is made of recycled polypropylene material. So what we want to go away from single-use plastic, go away from paper disposables, and come back to using a cup where you can reuse it again and again, and not, get rid of the waste plastic that we are now.
Thank you so much for talking to us, sir.
No problem.